Hello YouTube and welcome to a new Techsloth video. I just came back from the Apple store here in Germany and today is big Apple iPhone launch day yet again because the new colored iPhones, the iPhone XR or XRs are starting today and I grabbed the yellow version. I pre-ordered the red edition, but then I was at the store and they had plenty of devices, so they let me switch colors. And I have to say, we got now 6 different colors, even more than with the iPhone 5C launch a couple of years ago. Now we got black, white, the red, these are the colors we already know. And this year special, we got coral, like some mixture of orange and pink. Or maybe orange and rosé. We got the blue, light blue, and the yellow version. And the yellow version was darker than I expected it, and it just looked nice. So, and on each package, they show you the iPhone in the color that's the iPhone that's in the box card. So we got even the Apple logo and the iPhone letters are in the color of the device. This is the 850 euros cheap version with 64 gigabytes of storage. There are 3 different versions: 64 gigabytes, 128 for around 60 euros more, and then you can again double the storage to 256 for another 110 euros. So overall, but each category is around 300 euros cheaper than the iPhone XS. So let's open up the box. And let's start and check out what is inside. Of course, we get the packaging, or not the packaging, we get some instructions here, like bonjour, hello. These are, I would say, the exactly same prints that come with an iPhone X or with an iPhone XS. Then we get the SIM card tool, okay. We get the fine print, warranty, and we get stickers, but no colored stickers. Just the standard white stickers. I don't know why Apple is doing this. And now check out this gorgeous yellow. It's a standard yellow. It's like the frame is maybe here and there a little bit golden. So let's nice feeling. What I wanted to say, we got the matte finish on the aluminium frame surrounding it. Maybe here and there a little bit yellow. But if in comparison, I got here the rose golden version or the golden version of the iPhone XS Max. This is shiny, this is matte, and yes, there's definitely a difference in colors here. Just to give you this for comparison reasons here, but I have to say, ooh, this is heavy. This is definitely a heavy phone. I guess 194 grams. This is heavier than the iPhone X or XS. This is lighter than the iPhone XS Max. But I have to say, ooh, this is of course a big device, 6.1 inch. With a full, it's not full HD resolution here, but we are good above 300 ppi, 326 ppi pixel per inch. Let's turn on the device. And my first impression in the store was that this is a standard, great looking Retina display. And this is one of the big differences between those devices and the iPhone X and XS generation. We don't get an OLED panel here. It's still IPS LCD with a lower resolution. But still, first impressions, I was really satisfied with the display. But what I wanted to say, the first impression of the device in my hands, this is definitely a heavy device. And in comparison to the Max, this is not that much bigger than the Max, I would say. So just for, if you think there was always this difference between, or it's now again, between the old iPhones and the Plus devices, this was huge. And if you now got the XS and the XS Max, for example, this is again this old Plus feeling. But here, this is not a huge step, what I wanted to say. Another thing, yes, you got a notch. Let's see how comfortable can I hold it and operate it. I can reach with my right thumb the on-off button with ease and the volume down button as well, but not the volume up button or the mute switch. And yes, we still got a mute switch. With my left hand, I can operate, yes, both volume bars, yes, and I even can reach the on-off button, yes. So no problems here. On the right side, we got the SIM card slot. We got antenna stripes. On top, we got nothing here. On the left side, antenna stripes, mute switch, volume buttons. And down here we get speaker, microphone and the lightning port. So no headphone jack. And yes, you will get stereo speaker sound out of this device. And on the back side, we get this flash, microphone, and one camera. And it's the exactly same main camera, the 12-inch main camera, as on the all the other devices. Yeah. One thing is missing is that's the optical lens with a 2x optical zoom. This is missing, but still, you will be able to take portrait shots with this nice depth features. But this is always software thingy because you only got one camera. This is the same thing that Google is doing with the Pixel devices. And yes, there are some other differences. This is IP67, this is IP68, this got 3 GB of RAM, the other device has got 4 GB of RAM. You don't get 3D Force Touch with this device. Oh, I switched the language over to Japan. Okay. But here we got something like smart push or anything, so you won't lose any features. But first impression, definitely a nice device. But I'm definitely, let me get a little bit closer to the screen. Yes, the corners, the notch, this looks definitely nice. Maybe this is the best IPS LCD display Apple has ever made, but this is still up for testing. What else is in the box? Our standard charger, USB port with 5 watt. So we got a 2442 milliamp hours battery built in, so nearly 3000 milliamp hours. So this will take 4 hours to charge with this charger. And I don't know why Apple is not giving us 10 or 12 watt charger with like on the iPads. Then we get Lightning headphones, Apple standard headphones. No adapter for you Lightning to headphone jack. So if you want this, if you still got cable headphones, then you have to spend another 10 euros for this adapter. But I have to say, when Apple introduced or got rid of the Lightning jack 2 years ago, I was screaming too. But since then, we got the Apple AirPods, which cost slightly above 100 euros, which I use always. I got them always with me. They are so easy to use. The sound is nice. So this is something you have to think about. And if you want nice noise cancelling, there are so many headphones out there. So what I want to say is living without a headphone jack is now at the end of 2018 way more easier than it was in 2016. And the last thing in the package is the USB cable, USB to Lightning, so that's it. So this is just standard, and yes, you only get those additional stuff here in the color white, so no yellow or other colors for the devices. This is it with everything in what's inside of the box, and I have to say, first impression, really nice, well-built quality. Of course it has to. This is a nearly 1,000 euro device or 850 euro device. Everything looks nice, nothing moves, and I'm really eager to check it out. And this is it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!